Took a little bit adjusting. I had to adjust a little bit. I apologize. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. If my voice has gone a little bit, I apologize in advance because that happens, you know, that's life for me. I'm gonna drink some of this bougie water real quick. I don't know if you could tell by the title, but today I'm going to be fixing my eyebrows. Now I know you're thinking, you don't have any eyebrows, but I do. But I believe I achieve, so I believe I have eyebrows. So I'm gonna fix them. And now I never did my own eyebrows, and I've heard of horror stories. People slit them, people do crazy stuff to them. I'm gonna do them. I'm gonna try, and let's just hope I don't fail. Because if I do, I won't have nothing left. And that'd be tragic. Need a little bit more water. If you guys like videos like this, make sure to like, comment, subscribe down below now. Go ahead and take the extra time to support. Go ahead, I'm gonna let you do that real quick. Come in. Oh yeah, come on in. The video was just getting good and you just destroyed it. Oh. You know what I'm doing? I don't know if I told you. I didn't tell you.
Bro, what are you doing? You know what's funny? I'm about to make a video of shaving my face with that.
But that's crazy. I'm only gonna do the brows now. I got acne, so you know this. I'm like this. I'm like, Hopefully not. I don't know what I'm doing, but you know, I'll just figure it out.
What's up, guys?
Well, I was about to hit the off button, but you know, you want to cut, so go ahead, do it. Come on now.
I don't know really how to do it, but you know.
Yeah, do this. Yep, the pillow talk. Okay, so I don't really know how people do this, so I decided to think of what I should do and you know, do that. I don't know what people use, if they use like a primer or like an oil or like a lotion or whatever, but I decided to use a some coconut oil on my face, you know, and then start shaving. Should I draw my eyebrows out? I don't know. I never watched a tutorial on this, so I'm just gonna do it. So like, what can go wrong? So we're just gonna get right into this. So this will be the coconut oil I'm gonna be using. Better Body Foods. I don't know if that matters, but coconut oil. And that's it. I'm playing. I'm gonna be using this little blade thingy. Hopefully I got the right blade, but if it's not the right blade, then oh well. And I don't really know, I'm gonna turn on this light real quick. I don't really know how I would put this on. Maybe like just on top and on the bottom and just trim. I'm not gonna do too much to it. I just wanna see if I can do something to make my eyebrows look any better. So here's a little before. Let me turn this off real quick. Okay, that's a before. But about to get to an after. I'm not gonna waste your time too much. We're just gonna get right on into this. Pray for me. I'm gonna dip my finger in the oil a little bit. This is not the right way, I already know, but
I just don't know what way to do it, and I'm not about to watch a video right now.
This video came up like at the top of my head, out of nowhere, and I just went with it, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. So I guess I'm gonna just put some oil on there. The reason why I think I should have oil on my brows is because I got a pimple in my eyebrow. That ain't cute. You see that? Oh, that's not a pimple. Oh, wait. Well, I think it was. And I think it popped. I think that the oil should be on my brows and above, to make sure it don't cut me, because I think of this as like shaving. I'm not gonna put shaving cream on my face, but I'm gonna put something moisturizing on me. So hopefully this works out. We're just gonna go ahead and get into that. Perfect, perfect. And then hopefully this works. Hopefully something can get done. Now my face is all oily. I don't even know how to open this. Is this gonna cut me? How do you do this? Okay. I have no idea. How do you take, okay, it's off. It's off. I heard someone like literally shave right through their eyebrow. Hopefully I don't, but we're gonna try to see with the first swipe. Hopefully I don't swipe too hard. Hopefully I don't rip off my pimples. Hopefully I don't rip off my skin. And if you just lost your appetite, I apologize. But
welcome to my channel.
so here we go. Okay, that was crazy. Am I like doing this right? I think it did something. Okay. Okay, I'm scared. Okay. Oh my gosh. I think I cut through my eyebrow a little bit, but can you see a difference? I don't. Actually, I can. I know I just cut through my eyebrow a little bit because my hairs are like faded right there, which I'm not gonna cut any more of that eyebrow, but let's do the other one. I guess lightly, but lightly doing this. You don't want to go swipe your whole eyebrow off. So I'm gonna try this one. I think that's enough for me, only because I don't want to like, I don't want to rip my eyebrows off. But can you guys see a difference? Maybe I should do something in between. Almost cut off this eyebrow. Make sure I got no unibrow. Hopefully I don't get no razor bumps. Can that happen on your face? Of course it can. Of course. Okay. Maybe I should get like a cotton round to wipe off all the oil. Wow. I don't think I did horrible, but I don't think I did good. I feel like my eyebrows are just cleaned up a little bit, but what y'all think? What y'all think? The first time I do things, I like to bring y'all with me because we're doing it together and we're seeing the right way and the wrong way. And we just don't do it again if it's the wrong way. You feel me? On that note, like I said, if you guys like videos like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below. If you guys have any questions about anything, what I eat, what I drink, let me know down below. And I will see you guys in my next video.